Hello and welcome to someone else's workshop. This is Chris Pine. I'm here at Colorado Springs Sawmill, Mitchell Dillman's place, and I'm here with Sterling, who's in town this week, and we're just out here visiting Mitchell's place, and we're working on some tables. He's got some incredible stuff around here. And what else are we going to do today, Mitchell?
You guys want to cut some logs?
Let's cut some logs. Let's go do that.
All right, so we've got a piece of mesquite here that my customer brought in from Texas, of all places. And he just had a little piece of it, wants me to render it into as much usable lumber as I can. I told him we'd cut it into 1.5-inch slabs. So we'll get this thing positioned in here, get it locked into place, and go to work. Prettier than that pine. Yeah.
One more hole there.
Oh,
Catch that one. 4 on each. I'm going to use 2-inch, 3/8 blackened. That was right on that knot.
yep.
We're not going to fool around. 2-inch, 2 full inches of big thread. And we'll blow those in there. Iron railings, structural.
Right,
And that's kind of what you're dealing with here. So we'll talk a little bit about this design. What I found ergonomically is that at dining and bar seating, you allot 24 inches per person, shoulder to shoulder. You can squeeze that down if you're using swivel chairs, like at a bar. If you picture, you can get out of them easier. So what we're dealing with here is at the end, you want a 6-top, right? 4 on each side. Sure. 4 on the sides, 2 on the ends. Pull the tape off the feet.
Mitchell's getting them set, and look who we found. Chris Pine, he's come in to help. How
Chris
cool
Pine
is this?
The gang's all here. boom, like right now up on the edge, and just put it on that. There you go.
I got this side if y'all two want to get that one and just bring it over.
Yeah, just go ahead and tip it on down. It's a nice solid base. Go ahead,
Yeah.
come straight on out.
Got it.
That old tool right here. This thing just eats. I mean, it will, you could set it to cut half an inch passes, and it will literally drive it through there. It just burn. You can hear it just burn. I mean,
I
it's,
bet it's loud as all get out.
yeah, you can hear it a block away.
Yeah.
You can. You can hear it humming a block away when it's cutting. But it was just down to, it's still functional.
Is it,
And he'll sell it. He'll get
That's
good
what I
money.
wondered.
Because there's a lot of guys who store this stuff now.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
And he'll get good money. It's still a functional tool. That's the thing about it. Chris, I sure appreciate you coming down, Sterling. Both of you guys for coming in to help me. Couldn't have done it without them.
Great to be here.
All right, so I'm here to pay a debt. Super Bowl 50 last year, Carolina Panthers and the Denver Broncos. I literally drove to Denver from North Carolina to deliver this clock that I made for him for losing a bet. The bet was Carolina Panthers win, he makes a project. Denver Broncos win, I make a project. Well, guess what? I lost. So I'm paying the debt. Your Denver Broncos 50th Super Bowl clock. Enjoy, hang it in your shop because I really don't want it in mine.
Thanks, Sterling. It's beautiful.
Thank you, appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
A lot of fun.
All right. Well, maybe I'll have to come to North Carolina next time.
Sounds good.
All right.
Hey, I like this one a lot better.
What a great day here, doing some lumber milling and doing some things in Mitchell's shop here. Thanks so much for having us.
Thanks for coming out, man.
It's been fun. I could do this all day, but I know Mitch's got to get back to work and actually make some money.
Gotta
today.
work, man.
But thanks for Sterling. Great meeting you in
Nice
person
to meet you.
and
Glad to
seeing
be
you.
here.
It's good
And,
to see both you guys.
Yeah, it's great. We have to do this more often, if all possible. So, Chris Pine.
Mitchell Dillman,
Sterling Davis.
thanks for watching.
On Chris Pine's workshop.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Cool.